Folks, running an online store sounds exciting until you hit supplier chaos, shipping delays, and never-ending product setup. That is usually the point where many new sellers feel stuck and start doubting the whole idea. My name is Daniel, and today I want to show you how Doba can simplify this process from day one. In this video, I will walk you through it step by step and show you the key tools. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. Friends, Doba is an online dropshipping platform that has worked with e-commerce sellers for many years. It connects you to a large catalog of products from pre-vetted suppliers across many popular categories. The suppliers keep inventory in warehouses inside the United States, which helps deliveries stay fast and predictable for your buyers. The idea is simple. You focus on finding good products and bringing traffic, and Doba handles product data, syncing, and communication with suppliers. Mates, there is a monthly subscription, but you do not pay extra dropshipping fees on each individual order. That makes costs more predictable, which is important when you test new products or use paid promotion. Okay guys, let's open up the website and see how everything actually works. You start on the homepage, where the platform explains its role and shows which e-commerce systems it supports. Your shop connects once, and from that point Doba stays in the middle, between you and the suppliers. From there, my friends, you create an account and sign in, for example with your Google profile. During sign-up, the site asks you to choose a plan. Limited and basic come with a trial period, so you can explore the workflow without serious costs. You can also open a detailed feature overview and see exactly what each subscription level includes. After sign-up, the dashboard appears. At the top you see your name, plan, and a short welcome tutorial that explains the main areas. Folks, there is a progress tracker that works like a checklist. Every time you finish a task, the tracker updates, and the setup journey feels clear, not confusing. Below you notice spaces reserved for purchase orders and monthly performance reports. At the start, these blocks are empty. Later they will show sales numbers, order counts, and other key figures. This means you already know where your future analytics will live. Mates, on the same page, Doba suggests items through curated collections and the Selected for You section. Those rows reflect what you browse, what similar sellers choose, and what performs well across the network. You immediately see that product discovery is not just a raw search bar. On the right there is a column with tips and guides. From here you can open tutorials and answers to popular questions. Elite Academy sits in this educational space as well. That is where you learn more about advertising, search optimization, and social media strategies without leaving the platform. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. One of the early steps in the tracker invites you to find products. You click it and move into the catalog. The marketplace opens with a search field and several discovery blocks. You can type in an idea or explore groups based on performance, demand, or profit potential. These views rely on internal data, so you work with real numbers instead of guessing. Friends, while you scroll, you notice a video hub. Each short clip shows how a product looks in motion or in a lifestyle context. That content later helps you plan ads or social posts, especially when you do not have your own footage yet. When a product seems promising, you open its page. Here you check stock levels, delivery times, and supplier information. If everything looks good, you add the item to an inventory list. The first time, the system creates that list for you in a few clicks. When you return to the dashboard, the tracker marks another step as complete. Now, folks, it's time to explore the AI Tool Hub. This area sits like a small control room for smart helpers that support your business. The first tile you notice is Store Builder. It is aimed at people who still do not have a proper shop. Just describe your brand, pick a direction, and the tool prepares a working storefront in minutes. You avoid the usual wall of settings and start from a ready layout instead. Mates, next you see AI Picker. This assistant focuses on product ideas. You describe your niche or target audience, and it returns suggestions tailored to that description. Instead of scrolling through thousands of random offers, you receive a smaller, relevant set that matches your strategy. Another tool inside this hub is AutoLister. It takes care of routine catalog work. You decide which categories matter for your shop, and the assistant keeps bringing new, current items into your account. Your storefront stays fresh, without you uploading each product one by one. Guys, the last style here is AI Listing Optimizer. It works on the text itself. You feed in a title and description, and the tool reshapes them for better clarity and visibility. It can adapt the copy for different channels and weave in useful keywords, so your offers look better to buyers and to search engines. Folks, once you have a few items saved, you head to the inventory list. This view shows everything you decided to keep an eye on. You can adjust prices, tweak details, and set alerts for important changes. Saved searches appear nearby, so you can quickly revisit markets or themes you monitor regularly. The whole system is designed around flexibility. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up. From connecting your store to fulfilling orders, Doba handles the entire dropshipping process in one platform. It keeps your inventory updated automatically and gives you tools to grow without a team or your own warehouse. Guys, if you've been hesitant to start because the logistics felt overwhelming, this might be the solution. Try Doba, explore the product catalog, and see how quickly you can launch a store that actually runs smoothly. It has a 99-cent trial. It is an easy way to test the tools before making a bigger commitment. Which part of this platform looks most useful for your situation right now? I'd love to hear from you. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.